Have you ever walked into a newly renovated home that looks beautiful, but after 6 months, the owner is already frustrated? The lighting feels wrong. There aren't enough power outlets. Storage doesn't work. The bathroom feels cheap. And suddenly, that expensive renovation doesn't feel so luxurious anymore. Here is the problem. Most homeowners spend thousands on things everyone can see, but they skip the things they will use every single day. And those hidden decisions often determine whether your renovation feels premium or becomes a daily annoyance. Today, I am sharing 10 things you should never skip during your renovation or designing your home. Believe me, some of these cost surprisingly little, yet they can dramatically improve comfort, functionality, safety, and even your home's future value. Let's start with one of the most overlooked mistakes I see in almost every renovation project. Number 1. Quality electrical sockets and switches. Let's talk about something most homeowners overlooked: electrical outlets, light switches, USB ports, and faceplates. Many people spend weeks choosing a sofa but barely think about their electrical system. Unfortunately, that's a big mistake because switches and outlets are among the few things you use every single day. Choose a cheap product and it shows very quickly. Switches become loose, plastic starts to yellow, buttons feel flimsy, and suddenly even a beautiful home feels less premium. Investing in quality products from reputable brands gives you better safety, durability, and a much more refined everyday experience. Okay, just sit and think about how many devices we charge today: phones, tablets, laptops, smartwatches, and countless other gadgets. Yet, many homes still don't have enough outlets where they are actually needed. When planning your renovation, think about how you live it. You definitely need, next to the sofa, besides the bed, inside the kitchen island, near bathroom vanities, and of course at your work desk. It might seem like a small detail, but quality switches and well-planned outlets are one of the smartest upgrades you can make. And trust me, you will appreciate every day for years to come. Number 2. Layered lighting. One of the biggest mistakes I see in homes is relying on one ceiling light. That's exactly why so many spaces feel flat and uninspiring. Professional interiors use layered lighting: ambient lighting for overall brightness, task lighting for functionality, accent lighting to highlight features, and decorative lighting to add character. Think about luxury hotels. Rarely is the entire room illuminated by one fixture. Instead, multiple light sources create mood, depth, comfort, and atmosphere. That's why designers use co-lighting, floor lamps, table lamps, under cabinet lighting, and illuminated shelving to create a richer experience. The goal isn't simply to make a room brighter, it's to make it more flexible. Your home should feel different during breakfast, movie night, entertaining guests, or relaxing with a book. Great lighting can completely transform a space, often making a bigger impact than changing the furniture itself. Number 3. Proper storage. Nobody has ever said, "I wish I had less storage." But countless homeowners always say, "I wish we had planned for more." Storage may not be the most exciting part of a renovation, but it quickly becomes one of the most important things after you move in. And believe me, storage isn't just about closets. Think about where you will keep cleaning supplies, luggage, seasonal decorations, extra beddings, kids' toys, and all the everyday items that tend to create a clutter. The best homes don't simply add storage as an afterthought. They integrate it into the architecture from the beginning, making it both functional and invisible. Good design hides clutter. Great design prevents clutter from appearing in the first place. That's why proper storage is one of the smartest investments you can make it in any home. Number 4. Solid corridors. One of the fastest ways to make home feel more premium is upgrading to solid corridors. Most builders install hollow corridors because they are less expensive, but the difference is noticeable the moment you use them. They feel lighter, provide less privacy, and do little to block sound. Solid corridors, on the other hand, feel substantial and well built. They create a quieter home, offer better privacy, and stand up to daily use much more effectively. You notice the difference every time you open and close them. The sound is more solid, the feel is more refined, and the overall experience is far more luxurious. These upgrades is especially valuable in bedrooms and home offices, where comfort, privacy, and acoustic performance matter most. It might seem like a small detail, but solid corridors can dramatically elevate the quality and feel of your entire home. Number 5. Quality bathroom waterproofing. This may not be the most glamorous item on the list, and it's certainly not something people post about on Instagram, but it could be the most important investment you make during the renovation. When waterproofing is done poorly, the consequence can be severe. Water damage can ruin flooring, walls, cabinetry, paint, and in some cases lead to costly repairs throughout an entire apartment. That's why waterproofing should never be treated as an area to cut costs. Always ensure that proper waterproof membranes are used. The installation is carried out by experienced professionals, and the water testing is completed before any tiles are installed. Most homeowners never see what's behind the finished surfaces, but that hidden layer is what protects everything else you have invested in. Skipping proper waterproofing to save money today can easily become one of the most expensive mistakes you will ever make in your home. Number 6. Kitchen drawer systems. Many homeowners spend a fortune on beautiful stone countertops and premium finishes, yet overlooked one of the most frequently used parts of the kitchen. It's the drawers. The reality is that every drawer will be opened and closed thousands of times over its lifetime. That's why investing in quality hardware is so important. Features such as soft close mechanism, full extension runners, and heavy-duty drawer systems make a noticeable difference in both functionality and durability. The true quality of kitchen isn't measured by how it looks on the day it's installed. It's measured by how well functions in 5 years later. Good cabinetry isn't just about what you see. It's about how it performs every single day. Number 7. Quality windows. Many homeowners focus on the view when choosing windows, but great windows do far more than frame a beautiful landscape. They directly affect your comfort, privacy, noise level, energy consumption, indoor temperature, and the amount of natural light entering your home. A quality window works quietly in background every hour of every day, helping to keep your home comfortable and efficient. A poor quality window, however, constantly reminds you of shortcomings through excessive heat, outside noise, glare, or poor insulation. This is especially important in hot climates like Dubai, where windows play a major role in controlling indoor temperature and reducing energy costs. While they may not be the most exciting feature in a renovation, quality windows are one of the smartest long-term investments you can make for your home. Number 8. Built-in joinery. There is a big difference between a room that simply contains furniture and a room that feels intentionally designed. That difference is often built-in joinery. While freestanding furniture fills a space, custom-built elements help shape it. They create seamless storage, improve functionality, add architectural character, and give a home a cleaner, more refined appearance. Whether it's a custom TV wall, a floor-to-ceiling wardrobe, an entry unit, a window seat, or integrated bookshelves, built-in joinery allows every inch of space to work harder and look better. The beauty of custom joinery is that it combines form and function, creating solutions that feel like natural part of architecture rather than something added later. These are the details that make a home feel thoughtfully designed instead of simply decorated. Number 9. Acoustic comfort. Luxury isn't only about what you see, it's also about what you don't hear. A beautiful home can quickly lose its appeal when it's filled with echo, traffic noise, noisy neighbors, or constant hum of mechanical equipment. Yet, unfortunately, acoustics are often overlooked during the design process. Great interiors are designed with sound in mind. Elements such as large rugs, curtains, upholstered furniture, better doors, quality windows, and, where necessary, acoustic treatments all help create a quieter and more comfortable environment. The result is a home that feels calmer, more relaxing, and more refined. A quieter home doesn't just improve comfort, it instantly feels more expensive and luxurious. Number 10. Timeless materials. This may be the most important lesson on the list. Don't skip timelessness. Many homeowners chase the latest trends, but trends comes and goes. Your renovation, however, is something you will live with for years. The last thing you want is a home that feels outdated just a few years after it's completed. Instead, focus on materials that age gracefully and maintain their appeal over time. Natural stone, wood, quality porcelain, textured fabrics, and classic finishes have remained popular for decades because they continue to look beautiful year after year. Timeless design isn't boring, it's intelligent. It creates spaces that feel elegant, relevant, and comfortable long after that the latest trends have been disappeared. Because at the end of the day, truly great design is the design that still looks good 10 years later. So let's wrap it up. The biggest renovation mistakes aren't usually visible on day one. Unfortunately, they discovered 6 months later. And when you realize you don't have enough outlets, the lighting feels wrong, storage is missing, the doors sound hollow, the bathroom leaks, the drawers don't close properly. Unfortunately, there is a lot of things. Luxury isn't about spending more, it's about spending smarter. The best homes focus on details people use every day, not just the features that look good in photos. So, before your next renovation, save this video because these 10 things might be the difference between a home that simply looks beautiful and a home that actually lives beautiful. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the Designerist for practical interior design advice, renovation tips, and real-world architectural insights. And tell me in the comments what one thing you wish you had never skipped during your renovation. Please tell me in the comments. I will read and reply myself. And see you on the next video. Until then, please stay safe.